of you, signals through a digital hue, silent tones that cut so deep. Awake at night, I cannot sleep. Every tone a fleeting plea, every vibration reaching me. Ringtone Requiem calling me, echoes of what I cannot see. Every note a memory lost in electric symphony. Vibrations through the midnight air, every ping a whispered prayer, fragments of a life once known, fading through the undertone. Every tone a fleeting plea, every vibration reaching me.